Hi, Assalamualaikum and greetings support employers. My name is Muhammad Iqbal bin NORAZMAN. I'm 24 years old and I come from Pasir Mas, Kelantan. As you are aware, I'm looking for an opportunity to secure a place of employee relation executive in your company. I'm a graduated student from Tunku Abdul Rahman University College with a diploma of public relations in 2017. Not only that, I'm also a graduated student from University Malaysia Sabah in Bachelor of Social Science in Human Resource Management in 2020. During my industrial training, I worked for Kasihuddin Sdn Berhad at Putrajaya in February until June 2020. Kasihuddin Sdn Berhad acts as a provider of high-quality health service in Malaysia. My job scope during my internship at Kasihuddin Sdn Berhad is to update the company's internal database with new employee information, including the contact detail and employment forms. I believe that I am a very confident person, meticulous and will adapt in any given situation or environment that I am in. I have excellent communication skills and also leadership skills, as I have been the vice president of my program course, which is communication, in 2017 at Tunku Abdul Rahman University College, and I also have been a president of Himpunan Siswa Kelantan Himsak in session of 2019 and 2020. Other than that, I'm also fluent in both of English and Bahasa Melayu. A part of my soft skill, I'm proficient in using a Microsoft Office like Microsoft Word, Excel and presentation PowerPoint. Not only that, I'm also capable of using a few editing software such as Adobe Photoshop, Adobe After Effects, and Adobe Premiere Pro. With such a great skill, it is certainly the best choice to employ such a person with outstanding leadership and teamwork qualities. So, if you are looking for opportunity candidates that have hardworking, leadership, and adaptability in any given situation, please contact me via my email and my phone number. I'm signing off. Thank you.